Kukesh Rauta, who is the accused in the criminal case filed by Mr. Ferreira, has settled the issue with Mr. Ferreira because it is our case that there was some misunderstanding that had happened. And considering that there is a settlement, petition has been filed to quash the FIR on the basis that the matter has been settled. Now, the law, as far as these issues are concerned, is also well settled. It says that if the prosecution is not going to reach any logical conclusions, or if the offense is personal in nature, and the parties do agree with each other with consent to settle, or rather settles the matter, then there is no question of wasting the court's time or the time, money, and energy of the state, which is the prosecution. It's as good as flogging a dead horse. So basically, the petition is to quash on consent the FIR that has been filed. Crime Branch has filed an application opposing it. So the matter has now been fixed on Monday because the learned public prosecutor was not available.